We have more information about the WVSSAC litigations and the high school football playoffs. Our Shyla Florence joins us live in the studio with the newest information. Shyla.
Thanks, Phyllis. The WVSSAC filed a motion for expedited relief and a petition for writ of prohibition to the West Virginia Supreme Court of Appeals today. This all goes back to the filing made by Wood County Schools against the WVSSAC last week in Wood County courts. Wood County Schools sought to get the WVSSAC to use the December 2023 classification for the 2024 high school football playoff seedings. Today's filing with the WVSSAC is asking the Supreme Court to overturn that injunction that the Wood County judge being granted on November 9th. And after the Wood County injunction was granted, Point Pleasant also filed one 2 days later. This caused the football playoffs to be postponed in the filing to the Supreme Court. The WVSSAC says that the playoffs can't be played without violating one of the court orders granted. They also state in their filing that each week the playoffs are postponed constitutes an irreparable harm to the schools participating in the playoffs. There are still talks of two potential play-in games this Saturday involving Point Pleasant, Capital, St. Albans, and Hampshire. However, everything is still uncertain until the Supreme Court makes a decision on today's filing. And the state has not decided whether it'll take the case up or not. We will continue to provide updates on this as we receive them. Phyllis, back to you.
Shyla Florence reporting live in the studio. Shyla, thank you.